Today we're going to be playing Roblox Jailbreak, and as you can see, we are in prison and we have to get out of here as fast as possible. So let's start with entering the sewers. So let's get in there. Alright, Hamish, what are you doing? Alright, let's go this way.
And
Jump, jump.
okay there.
I do jump.
Is it so hard on iPad? How do
Yeah.
you jump?
You just
How do you jump on iPad?
you just jump. No. Should we wait for Hamish? Like if we should wait for Hamish. Subscribe if we should go. Alright, looks like we're gonna have to go.
Hey, you wait for me.
Nope, see ya. Oh my god, go back. Never mind.
Run!
That was the police, right? Was that not police? Alright, let's try it. Let's just.
I'm sure about that.
Just. Okay, we're fine.
Wait for me.
Okay. So I got a game pass, so I can now spawn this in.
You
Get that, and bam! We have. Doesn't look like a fast car, but like, trust me. Crap. Trust me, it is.
Run!
Go! We are literally like in the fastest car, pretty much. Nothing can catch us. That's a train, right? Should we quickly do our first heist? Hello? Hamish?
What?
Should we quickly do our first heist?
I don't want to. I'll try.
Okay, see ya. If you don't want to do our first heist, then see ya.
Get on!
Okay, I'm just stuck. Get
I'm on the train.
Open this.
And where is the running?
There isn't anything. Oh, is this? Collect cash. What the? This is it? Is this all we got? Oh, it's actually a lot of money. Give me. What? Where am I? What is this? Why is there a helicopter?
This guy kicked me
out.
out.
Thank you for the helicopter. Get in. Get out of here. Get out of here.
Oh, he's on.
Let's get. Oh hell no! Get out of here, bro. Who is this? The Goku spirit. Okay. This is the Goku spirit. Let's go. We already earned our first $2,000.
We're totally the
So it looks like we're doing pretty good. Oh, we can't go in here. Okay, just run. Run. Oh, alright, that guy scared me. Go! I thought it was the police. Oh.
Where am I?
Where are you going? We yet to go get the money. Alright, did you even get any money? Why'd you jump out? Right,
I got a little bit.
Oh, very nice. Can you get in?
What car can I get?
You just have the default car.
Move.
Okay.
We're in.
Okay, let's go. So it looks like the train is still open, but like we saw, like there was no money there. So we should next go to the. What is this gun? Oh, it's just a gun store. We can go get guns in case a police car. What the? Okay, this car like defies physics, bro. Not even joking. Anyway, so the Roblox gun. I'm gonna get sword,
a free gun,
force field, plasma pistol, and shotgun, just in case. This gun makes you fast, I think, every few hits. I can't remember. Maybe they nerfed it, like they changed it. Oh no, it does. Still makes you faster. It's random. Oh, okay, police. He's not police. I mean, get in. That's a cool car. How do you get that? Okay. Let's just keep going and see where we end up. There's a bow, but like, oh, that's a police. Run. But I don't know if we can actually go on access. Okay.
Is that a police? No, it's a criminal.
No. Okay, so we need 3 people here. Oh, here we go. 3 people. And then open it. Please stand on that. Thank you. And this should open up. So this heist is like a robbery. Oh, thank God there's no police here. Oh, a lot of people here. You just fall over. So Hamish, I think there's 100% chance of you dying in this one. Like, I'm not even joking. Like there's
I'm gonna
100%.
die
There's
early.
no chance of you surviving this. No chance. There's zero
I'm
chance.
gonna
There's zero chance, you. Tell me when you die.
Okay, okay.
Have you died?
No. Okay, it got damaged. Num, num, num,
This is
num,
the hard
num.
part. Oh my god, and people are pushing me. Okay.
What are these purple things?
It's gonna be slow and steady.
Aiden, what are these purple things?
Oh, what the? Okay, I'm not doing this right.
What is that?
Slow and
What?
steady. What purple things?
I hate
Ouch.
purple.
Oh, that's not good. Oh, I died. What was I doing? Okay, it's fine. We can make it up from this. I
What?
should have gone slow and steady, but I wanted to go fast, and that ended up being my downfall. So let's quickly. Oh, you can't spawn vehicles under here. I see how it is.
I died.
It's okay. We're going back. We're going back. Where'd you
Where
spawn?
I go?
Spawn in the middle. Spawn in the volcano base. We can go back and get our money. I was talking about like how Hamish would die, and then I ended up dying first. Hamish,
Why am I at the
come.
police area?
Okay, you know what? I'm leaving Hamish. I don't know where he is. Police area. What are you talking, bro? What is this, bro? It's just
I like
upside
my
down.
car out.
Okay, I see how it is, car. This
I
car's
like
just
it out.
goofy. I don't even know where Hamish is. I just want to get this heist done real quick. We still have a chance of
Can we go on the
beating this.
boat?
This time I'll take it slow and steady once we get. What? Is that my car? Is that my old car? I swear I just saw my old car. Okay, it's fine. Okay, can I fall down? Just want to fall down real quick. Thank you. Just go. You don't have
Aiden,
time for distractions.
can you go on
We
the
have to
boat?
get it done now. Go. My voice chat is on. Go.
Okay, I'm fine.
Keep going.
It kind of looks like the harbor bridge.
Alright, it's like kind of like 10 o'clock right now. So my brain isn't braining right now, so I'm just gonna take it slow and steady. Oh crap. Keep going. Keep going.
Is that you? I'm following Corinne.
Yes, okay, we did it. We actually beat this. This part, there's not even a challenge. Like, you just walk straight and then just get down here.
Where are
Please
you?
open up. Thank you. Please open up. Let me quickly grab this. Go. This should open up, and then we get a minecart out of here. But we have to complete this before the thing ends. Otherwise, we won't get a reward. So can you please open? That's taking a little bit.
I'm at the donut shop.
Okay, roof closes. Don't squash me, please. Donut shop. Oh my, that is like 5 million kilometers away from me.
I'm so good at
Hello, bacon here.
farming
Let's make it.
right now.
Let's make it out. I'm taking the
I'm
first
so
part
good at
though.
farming.
Sorry, bacon.
I'm so
Alright,
good at farming.
so basically now what we have to do is we just have to like just wait here pretty much and just
I
it's
see
easy.
you
What we have to do is
guys.
duck. Press
I
E.
see you
Oh, switch to the right. Might
underground.
as well. It doesn't matter.
You are underground, mate. I can see you.
You can see me. How? Do you have hacks?
No, the criminal logo thing.
But like, there's so many criminals. How do you know which one is me?
I don't know, cause you're underground.
Underground. But like, how do you know which one's me? Because they all have the same icon.
Hmm.
Okay, I think Hamish is hacks. Confirmed right now.
I'm not
Oh,
gonna
so
go.
close, so close. Go. Yes, let's go. Our first successful heist, other than the train, but I don't really count that one.
I can't. Okay, wait.
Okay.
My controls were broken for a second. They weren't even working.
Alright, Hamish, like, where are you? Like, I need to quickly find you.
I'm in the desert.
Desert, that is
Cutting
pretty
down.
far. Actually, that is not far at all. It's right here.
Whee!
Desert. If you're in the desert, you should be like somewhere here.
Someone's killing me.
Someone's killing you.
Yeah, cause my health went down somehow.
Oh, maybe you took full damage or something.
Oh,
You're in
I'm in my car.
You're in a car. Wait, were you in the red car?
I'm like green-ish.
Uh,
police! Run! Oh, I'm arrested.
I don't know where you are. I don't know where you are. Oh, what is this?
I
Oh,
got
the safe.
arrested.
Oh, free him, free
And I
him, free
got
him.
arrested.
Free him. No, don't. Oh, okay, good. Oh, these guys are really strong. I didn't bring my weapons, so I can't really kill them.
No, I got
Oh, I'm dead.
arrested.
Like, yeah, these guys are really overpowered. Like, I can't really do much.
Help me.
Okay, we'll go
Help
back
me,
here.
Okay.
This time I'll bring my fastest vehicle. It's not actually the Roadster. This is my fastest vehicle. Of course, the Volt bike, and I might change the color because this color looks weird on it.
Go upstairs.
There we go.
Here. Where? Yeah, okay, there.
Look
I
how
wanna
fast
see
this
the
thing is. This is
outside
crazy.
pieces.
What is that? That's the bush.
Okay.
Do you reckon I can get another one? I don't think I can get another gem from the tomb. I think I think I can only do one at a time. So Hamish, you say you're at the jail, right?
Yeah, I'm at the jail.
Okay, good luck getting out.
I'm outside. I'm outside the jail. Like, I'm inside the jail, but I'm like outside.
Come
area.
here! Yeah, that's what I thought. What is this? Run.
Don't punch.
Get me out of here, actually. I regret this.
Oh, how do you punch? Okay, punch.
You
It
can't hit me
says
from
don't
here, right?
punch, but I like to
Chill!
punch.
Chill. Don't hit me. You have no aim. I have pistol. Oh crap, I'm dead.
I can't move.
This is nice. Oh, okay, it's because ramming too. I see how it is, bro. Oh, I also got
Oh,
arrested.
I'm in jail again. Someone arrested me.
I'm also in jail. Welcome to the police. I thought no one plays the police. 728k is crazy.
9, 8, 7.
Up here.
It's not the stairs.
What?
That's
I feel bad for us. Can you help me? Wait, what did you just say? I'm so hungry. Can you help me? You reckon we can get food for him? I don't know where. Like, there should be food like in the cafeteria. Surely we can just grab some, right?
How do you grab stuff?
I don't know. Can I have some food?
Do you punch
grab
it and then
anything.
you automatically just grab it?
Any food? Oh, maybe punching it. Yeah, good idea. Never mind. Didn't work. That's fine. I remember, I don't know if it's Mad City or some other game, some jail game, but you can like search the trash bins for like materials and stuff to escape.
Oh yeah.
Most wanted. Oh no way. Olive 2286, Jess and M3D6 are really wanted. Redeem code.
Spot? He wants Spot. Wow.
Okay, I'm gonna hit him with my car. Okay. No, stop shooting him. Yeah, that's what you get, bro.
Okay.
Stop shooting him. Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah, let's go, escape. No, he died. Oh, how dare you? Come back for revenge. I need it for that one random person. I need to get revenge on that police officer.
I'm free.
No.
Free.
He's healing my bubble, bro. Crap.
No, I'm arrested again. Someone's camping the spawn.
Come on.
Aiden, a police is little camping the spawn.
I died. That's frustrating. Okay. Police is camping a spawn. We achieved one successful heist.
Yeah.
If we succeed this, that would be really good. That gives a lot of money. Let's leave us out here. Let's go in. Oh, do you think... I can't enter, right? Oh, I need a key card. What's the... But this one is quicker.
What?
Oh, I don't see no police officer, Hamish. Take this. I have to hijack it. Can't bother doing that. Oh, what the? Oh, okay. That is actually smart. Not gonna lie. That is pretty smart. That's pretty smart. Your box. I actually thought that like some debris that just was some bug. I don't know, bro. Concrete block guy. Oh my god, there's another kid, bro! This is stupid. What is this?
Yeah.
Oh, hell no.
Oh hell no.
Okay, guys, I give up on this game. Jailbreak pretty fun, but like the police are very annoying. So
It's hard.
thank you guys
to
for
be
listening, and we'll see you in the next video.